In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 crashing and freezing. So first thing you want to do is go to Device Manager and then Display Adapters, and make sure you update your display adapters. So make sure you are on the latest version. Click Next to update. So next, you want to go to Windows Security. So here, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and then you'll see Manage Settings here. So turn off real-time protection. And also I recommend if you see having, like, if it's Windows security is the one is preventing it from opening, then go to exclusion and you can actually add the game here. So add Dota 2, just select the path folder for the game, and once you add it, Windows security will no longer detect this as a threat and the game will be able to launch again. So once you have this one done, now you want to close this down. Next, you want to open cmd, then run as administrator, and then you want to write the following command. So sfc/scan now, and once it's done scanning, you can try to restart your game and restart your computer, and this should fix it.